Hey folks, what you're looking at is a realistic SCT-34. This is the earliest example I could find of one of Radio Shack's sort of all-in-one tiny compact cassette decks that are packed with features. This one's from the 80s, so it doesn't have as many features as the ones from the 90s, but it does have every tape type that's important, but it does not have Dolby, but that doesn't matter to me because I typically don't listen to my tapes with Dolby anyway, even if they are encoded that way. So I thought this would go great with my other wood grain realistic mini realistic components that I have. So I found this one on eBay. It was the only one I could find at the time, and the seller did say it worked, but unfortunately it arrived at my doorstep and it didn't work. It was also fairly dirty inside, even though the seller said he'd cleaned it. I cleaned the tape head was pretty clean. The erase head was pretty clean too, but the pinch roller was disgusting, so I spent a lot of time scrubbing that. But I did get it to be pretty clean now. But it has one problem that's a bit of a showstopper for me. Overall, it's in decent shape. It's been used, you know. But it has a hum in the left channel that I just don't really even know where to start with this. I want to say I should start with the record play switch or cold solder joints or a capacitor or even the tape head itself. I don't really know. Maybe some of you people more experienced with tape decks would know, but whenever you apply power of any sort, you get this hum. And it's not a really wicked AC hum either, but I don't even know where to start with that. See, if I were to bang this around, I'd think that a cold solder joint would sort of... Hear that hiss? How weird is that? Is this hum starting to go away? Is this a capacitor reforming? That's weird. Wow. I haven't seen that before. I'm glad I caught that on camera. Oh man, that's really weird. Let's mess with this thing a little bit and see if we can't get it to tick. So let me prop up my camera with a screwdriver in the most professional way possible. That's some unusual behavior. So it just comes back in. It goes whang and then comes right back. I'm wondering if that isn't a dirty record play switch. Let's see if I can... That might be the record play switch. Let's see if I can cycle it a bunch. That appears to have fixed it. Huh, maybe that was a record play switch. Alright, I've got a tape here, a little bit of Grateful Dead. Let's see if it plays this tape just fine or not. Let me turn the volume way down. Yeah, I heard it hum and then stop. Does it play from both channels? Let's see. Left channel's good. Right channel's good. Pause works. Fast forwarding appears to work just fine. Direction around some corner where it's been. That's weird, man. So, my plan was to make a video about this and be like, so what do you guys think is wrong with this? But as you saw on camera, it just fixed itself. So that's the lesson here. You got to put a piece of equipment that's acting funny on camera to get it to behave, because they'll be embarrassed that the internet's looking at it.
Sugar magnolia, blossoms blooming, that's all empty and I don't care. So let me be down by the river.
Yeah, that's working fine. It's working fine now, anyway. It's really bizarre. So I guess eventually I'm going to have to get in here and clean that record play switch. I would have opened this up and done that, but none of my screwdrivers are long enough to go into these screw holes in the back that are super deep. So I got to get some really long screwdrivers. My longest one just misses it. So that's unfortunate for me, I guess. Yeah, how about that? I've never seen that happen to a tape deck before.
We're the one in Cherokee. First one to say she got my child, but it don't look like me. Said I'll run, but take my time. A friend of the devil is a friend of mine. I get home before daylight, just might get some sleep tonight.
Yeah, this is working fine now. So we try it without a tape in it again, and we can listen to the hum. Turn all the way up. Yeah, see? It comes out of that hum seems like a mode that it's in before it like fully engages. Because even when you hit fast forward, I don't know what that was. I don't know if that's a capacitor or the record play switch or what it is, but I guess exercise is all this thing really needed. Yeah, now it's working. That's really funny. That's whatever, man. I'll take miracles when I can get them, I guess. I guess we'll call this video Realistic Tape Deck Fixes Itself or something. But there you go. Now that this thing's working, this will complete my little realistic mini component system, which I'm going to feature in another video. I'm going to show you what I've done in my bedroom. You may remember that Crosley Auto I put in my bedroom. I decided to move that out into this room, actually, and put my realistic mini components from the 80s and into my bedroom and set those up. So I'll show you that in the next video as a follow-up to this thing working again. So yeah, there you have it. It fixed itself. This thing is just a little bit of a troll, I guess. Well, there you have it. If you want to reach me on social media, check down below for my Twitter and my Reddit. And if you'd like to join our Discord community, the link is down below as well. So, hope you enjoyed this little adventure. And have a good one, everybody. Ciao.